Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first video on investing £500 into stocks and shares. So this is the first time I've invested into stocks and shares. I have been investing in funds historically because they're obviously managed by fund managers who definitely know what they're doing, whereas I am very much a beginner. A lot of this research, well, all of this research has been done by me into the companies that I want to invest in. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am really interested in finances and understanding a bit more about investing. So I thought start by just doing it, getting on with it. So yes, very exciting. So what I'm going to talk you through in this video is what I've spent my £500 on, the different shares that I have, how much I spent on each one. Hello, this is future me just jumping in to let you know that in this video I will be telling you how much these stocks and shares have made after just 2 weeks. Just to let you know, I have made some money and all of that will be detailed throughout the video, and then a grand total at the end too. So I ended up investing a total of £487.51. I couldn't quite get to 500 because I didn't want to spend like £13 on a small stock that I didn't actually want for the sake of it. So that's as close as I could get to £500. So the first stock that I invested in was actually Disney. So I decided to do this because I'd obviously seen a lot of the Disney Plus stuff coming out, and I thought that that looked very good. Obviously the parks have been closed because of coronavirus, but potentially they're going to reopen. Disney is a very big brand, and it was something that I felt really comfortable investing in and I felt like would bounce back. So in Disney I invested £89.52. The next investment I made was in Zoom. So as we've all been in lockdown, I've been using Zoom an awful lot to have different conversations with different friends. My husband's also been using it loads and loads for work, so I actually invested £70 in Zoom shares. The next shares that I invested in were Activision Blizzard. So this is a gaming company. They make Call of Duty. I'm not massively into gaming, but I do know that lots of people love it. They're releasing lots of new games this year and have also started a mobile game as well. So I feel like they might do really well, particularly again in lockdown, lots of people downloading games. So in Activision Blizzard, I invested £59.97. So the next shares that I bought were in Shopify. So that is a commerce platform for small and medium-sized businesses. I've heard a lot about Shopify recently and a lot of good things about them. So I bought shares worth £62.76 in Shopify. So the next 2 shares that I bought were also technology shares. So the next one was Okta, or OKTA, I'm not sure how you say it or pronounce it. So they are an identity cloud platform, so also a technology company, and I invested £60.84 in Okta, or OKTA, whichever way you pronounce it. So I also stuck with the theme of technology, and the next company that I invested in was Atlassian, or Atlassian. I'm not entirely sure how you say it. So they are a tech company that produce team collaboration products, and I invested £61.63 in them. I then moved on to financial services and bought shares in the Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust, and I bought £50.58 worth of shares in them. The final shares that I bought were in the healthcare sector, and they were with Diasoren, and they are an Italy-based healthcare company. I invested £32.21 in them. So just to give you a quick rundown again of all the prices and the companies that I bought Diasoren at £32.21, Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust at £50.58, Shopify at £62.76, Zoom at £70, Okta, or OKTA, at £60.84, Atlassian, or Atlassian, whichever way you say it, at £61.63, Disney at $89.52, and Activision Blizzard at $59.97, and that's all in pounds. So now we have the results, so seeing how we've done. So I'm just going to list the name of the share and then tell you how much I've made or lost on each one of those shares. So Dia Sarin is up £1.54. Scottish Mortgages is up £1.71. Shopify is down £1.20. Zoom is up £12.33. Okta is up £2.63. Atlassian is down £3.40, so that's my biggest loser. Disney is up £4.49. Activision Blizzard is down £1.88. So I've totaled those all up and I'm actually up £16.22, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in 2 weeks that means that I've made over 3% in income on those invested stocks and shares. So to compare this, in a really good ISA in the UK in a whole year at the moment, you get 0.9%. So you get, if you invested £500, you just get just under £5. Whereas I've made £16.22 in 2 weeks. So I've made over 3 times what I would have done in a year if I'd left that money in an ISA. So I am actually really pleased with that. So £16.22 plus, so that's brilliant. So if you want to see how these shares are doing in, say, a whole month, so 2 weeks from now, then it would be amazing if you could like or subscribe. I will put the next video up in 2 weeks time to say how these have done in a month. Hopefully they're still doing well. Hopefully I've made even more income. That would be amazing. I plan on putting videos on every Wednesday and Sunday. I'm really passionate about this. This is something new for me. This channel is very new, so I would love it if you could like or subscribe, or if you have any questions then please do write them in the comments below. I can answer anything you want to know. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something I find really interesting and something I've really enjoyed looking into, and wish you all the very best of luck if you're investing in stocks and shares for the very first time. I hope you generate an income. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Goodbye.